I rinsed the pond yesterday outside with a hose and a strainer. However, it's still wet, so it does hold on to moisture pretty well. So I may not put water in here right off. May wait a while, a few days at least, to dry up a little bit. I don't want to overwater these cuttings. There we have it. Hey guys, unfortunately I lost the audio for the last half of the video. So just a brief explanation what I'm about to do, because I'm going to fast forward this clip as well, is these two cuttings I have in this little cup, shot cup. They're my Hoya macrophylla albomarginata, a strand or a stem fell off when I was repotting the two plants together. So I decided to go ahead and pop that in fluval, and now I'm going to transition them to the pond along with the Wilbur graves that I had in fluval stratum as well. It came in a tiny little test tube with a little bit of roots. Felt like it could have had more roots and put it in pond, but then not pond, fluval. But then I decided, let me go ahead and just put it in the pond and let it root up where it's going to be permanently. And I'm going to compare the Wilbur graves, the two plants I have. One is in my soilless mixture of, let's see, cocoa peat, perlite, and orchid bark. And then this one's going to grow in the pond. And we'll see how they do in comparison. They're going to have the same lighting. The only thing is the substrate's going to be different. And we'll see. All right, so enjoy the rest of the clip. I'm going to try to be quiet and let you watch.
Stop on this. Yeah. Chukuka eriwa, chukuka eriwa. Indio swimming, uwanile joronjo, prayer. Nobody knows it tomorrow. Shena who no get it go borrow. No be me way that it go follow. I will never see penny and where the money day. Now there one day. She say na money play. Today na party, yeah. Everybody, yeah, me happy, say body, yeah. Put your fingers in the air if you really don't care now. Igama nande madu dinja ije washirike oye ma ihe chigabu. Igama nande madu dinja ije washirike oye ma ihe chigabu. Eriwa, eriwa, chukuka eriwa, 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 chukuka eriwa. Indio swimming, wanile jaranja, prayer. Stop talking plenty, be confident. Just do your thing for the president. Try to put the foot up on my neck. I watch my back, they try to attack. See they come like sharks, came out from the dark. See my face, oh, not grace. So if sin no be God, oh, I'm not grave. I give him praise, oh, Yahweh.